Hey guys, this is a part 2 follow-up on the video that was posted on Netflix earnings report yesterday. Sometimes you get a lot of questions from traders. Okay, how do you actually take action on some of these observations? Can you walk me through like the strike price, specifically what you're looking at? So this video is specifically breaking down. This is actually a part of the 13 Market Moves daily subscription. I just cut out this piece to kind of show you what was sent out to subscribers earlier. If you are not subscribed to the 13 Market Moves, guys, take action. Click the links below. Take advantage of this so you wouldn't miss out on crazy trading opportunities like this. So here it is. Here's the breakdown on the Netflix trade. Yesterday we mentioned that it does not make sense to buy options going into the earnings announcement. It really pays to wait first to watch the reaction and then move on with your trade. So here's how we're taking advantage of the Netflix earnings report. Now, high probability trade today, guys, would be just simply buying Netflix calls. Yes, check this out. Move 13 in Netflix after report. If you've reviewed the video I posted yesterday, I made a bull case and a bear case for Netflix. And if you paid close attention to the video, there was quite a few more things on the bullish side for Netflix. One of the things being the main observation that the institutional investors are taking the money out of stocks like healthcare and utilities, and they're putting them on the sidelines, and they're ready to utilize them. And in the periods of lower interest rate environment, they're likely to invest that money in the growth sector. So what we're witnessing so far this morning, 6, 7 a.m., is we have this huge reversal, right? We said initially Netflix was going to drop, and then they're likely to buy it as long as Reed Hastings, the CEO, doesn't say anything crazy about, forward-looking projections being significantly impacted by all the extra competition. So he didn't say anything stupid. He didn't say anything crazy. Business as usual. As a matter of fact, they did give some conservative projections, which analysts interpreted as a positive thing, meaning that there's a high probability Netflix will beat the earnings next time it announces. So it makes sense to actually buy the stock now. So if you're looking for a high probability trade, guys, this is it right here. Simply buy Netflix calls. So right now it's trading at 358. When you have a market move 13, and guys, if you haven't studied the 13 market move 13, definitely review it in the 13 markets move formula so you understand how that works. That actually gives you a high probability of a subsequent move higher. And the importance of a 13 is that it gives you a high probability of consecutive moves higher. So if you're looking to place this trade, we're basically expecting Netflix not just to go higher today, but we're expecting Netflix to go higher tomorrow and the next day, and most likely continue to move higher through the course of next week. So simple trade would be buy Netflix calls in the money. You can split your position. Let's say you consider investing $2,000 into this trade and buy $1,000 worth of Netflix calls for this week and $1,000 invested in Netflix calls for next week. Of course, next week you can target slightly higher prices, a little bit out of the money, maybe 365, 370, 375 calls. Do not buy any calls above 375 because Netflix got a very strong resistance right about 380 level. So, and that's actually the area you should be targeting for this week to try to lock in some gains. So let's say Netflix opens at 360 at 9:30. What you want to do is you want to buy 350, 355, 360 calls on Netflix that expire this Friday with an intention to start taking some gains when Netflix gets to an area of about 377, 385. In that range, you want to start locking in some gains. Now, if we see Netflix start moving in huge volume, again, we've seen huge money come out of the stocks, the healthcare stocks. So if they're going to utilize these funds today, it may open slightly higher, right? Maybe 360. Right now it's at 358. But then we can see a substantial move higher in the stock, like $20, $30. It is possible. And so this could be a highly lucrative trade if this money that they pulled out of the healthcare sector is really going to go into Netflix today. So this is the one we're zooming in, that we're focusing on today. This is honestly, guys, my favorite trade of the day right here because it's just so simple. Move 13, the money could have gone out of this stock because honestly, the report was not phenomenal. There was nothing crazy in the report. The future projections were conservative, and yet nobody's selling the damn thing. So guys, this is not the time to be a bear, and we did lock some gains, some really healthy gains in Netflix on Friday and Monday, but you know, this is not the time to be a bear in Netflix, not now, because again, if you paying attention, one of the things listed in the video yesterday was like, hey, why are they upgrading Netflix to a buy going into the earnings report? Guys, this is like a very risky thing for an analyst to do, actually upgrade the stock right before the earnings report. Well, the only time they would do that if they've already bought a ton of shares and if they're prepared to buy more in the event if it drops. And that's exactly what happens. Yesterday, after the earnings drops, they buy some more and looks like they're ready to move this thing higher today. Okay. Hey guys, for those of you that are trying to learn the 13 markets move formula, what is a move 13? How to calculate all the other moves, how to calculate the sequences, guys, take the 13 market moves formula course to make your life easy as a swing trader or a day trader simply by clicking the links below. Take advantage of some of the free training that we have recorded. Again, their links are all in the description below this video. Just click the button and make it happen. I wish you guys an awesome trading day. I'll catch you in the next video.